Hi everyone. Okay, today I'm discussing the combining relations here. Here, relation from A to B are subset of A cross B. Means here, example here A equivalent 1 comma 2, B equivalent 1 A comma B. Then what is the A cross B means here 1 to A, 1 to B, or 2 to A, 2 to B. That is a general here combining a relation between two different sets. Say applying here different types of here uh, sets properties here union R1 union R2 R1 intersection R2 R1 minus R2 R2 minus R1. Yes, here 1 comma 2 comma 3 B equivalent 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So R1 union R2 means here so 1 comma 1 1 comma 2 1 comma 3 so 2 comma 2 2 comma 3 2 comma 4. So, okay. So R1 intersection R2 means here so combined of here just here R1 R2 different here two relations. Here R1 intersection R2 here same relations here 1 comma 1 therefore 1 comma 1. R1 minus R2. So R1 minus R2 means here so already there R1 minus R2 means here only R1 means here 2 comma 2 3 comma 3. So R2 minus R1 means here only R2 means here 1 comma 2 1 comma 3 1 comma 4. Next one is a composition. Composition means a relation between a two sets here. Relation. So R1 is a relation from A to B. So R2 means a relation B to C. Next one is a composition of R1 with R2. So relation between a two R1 R2 means here. So finally what is the denoted by so A to C. So here one example here. A comma B comma C. So here three elements here, four elements here, four elements here. So R1 mention A comma Z, B comma W. So R2 means W comma B, so W comma D, X comma A. So find R2 of R1, R2 to R1. First check the here R1. A to Z, B comma W. A to Z. Z means here any relation here Z? No. Next B comma W. So B comma W means here. So B comma W and W comma B is the finally B comma capital B. Next B comma W and W comma D means here so B comma capital D. Okay, that is a so finally what is a R2 of R1 means here so B comma B comma D. That is a composition the relations here. Next one is sometimes powers of relations here. So powers of relations here. So R2 means here R of R. R3 means R2 of R. That is a here one example here. That is a let A equivalent 1 comma 1 2 comma 1 3 comma 2 4 comma 3. So find the powers of R for n. R1 means here just generally here mention here 1 1 2. R2 means R square means here 1 1 2 1 3 2. So 3 2 means here so 3 2 is a relation so 2 1 finally here so 3 comma 1. Next one 4 comma 3 4 comma 3 3 comma 2 3 3 cancel here 4 comma 2 that is the R square. R cube here R cube means here first identify what is the R square here. R square here 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 2. So here 1 1 1 1 1 1. So 2 comma 1 1 comma 1 2 comma 1 3 comma 2 2 comma 1 3 comma 2 2 comma 1 3 comma 2 2 comma 1 R square means 2 comma 1 3 comma 1. Next one is 4 comma 2 4 4 comma 2 2 comma 1 2 2 cancel finally 4 comma 1 that is the R cube. Same also R4 R5. Okay. So next one very important here. So representating relation using matrix. So here, let here two relations here. Let two relations. Let here A comma B two non-finite sets. Let A comma B two non-finite sets. Let R be a relation from A to B. So A equivalent A1, A2, A3, A4. B equivalent B1, B2, B3, Bn. So always A means here rows, number of rows. B means a number of columns. Any relation from A to B that mention always here. So mention here 1. So no relation from A to B, that is the mention here 0. Here M of ij. Ij means I means here first set. J means the second set, means rows and columns. Always equivalent to 1, either 1 or 0. So what is the 1 here? If A comma B relation is available, therefore 1. A comma B no relation. Finally, what is the matrix represented? 0. So example here. Here A comma B comma C, B equivalent D comma E. What is the relation A to D, B, E, C, D? Only three relations. What is the matrix here? A to D, A to D is available. A, B, C, D, E, A to D. Next one, B to E. Next one, C to D. Therefore, only three ones here, three relations. Remaining here, so zeros. Okay, that is the matrix representation of relation. Share my next one. One more important here, diagraphs. So diagram means always here each element of this set by a one point, that is called here the diagram of above relation. So here each element of this set by a point is called here diagram here. So let R be a relation and a set capital A. A equivalent A comma B comma C. So R equivalent A comma B, A comma C, B comma B, C comma C, C comma B. Find the above relation of diagram. Find the above relation of diagram. First identify how many elements here. Totally how many elements A comma B comma C. Therefore, right here put here circles here. A is a one circle, B is a one circle, C is a one circle. So here first of all identify the relations. A to B. Therefore, A to B one relation. Arrow. Next one A to C. A to C one relation. B to B self. No. Next one C to A. C to A. Next one is a C to B. That is a diagram of above relation set. Here identify the diagram to matrix representation. Identify the diagram to matrix. So total how many is the elements here? A, B, C, D. Okay. So total how many elements here? What is this here total here? So 4 elements here. Total here. So 4 elements here. Here. A to B, one set. A to C. So A to B, so one set. Okay. Next one A to D. Next one B to B. Next one B to D. Next one C to A. Next one C to A, C to B. Next one D to B. Okay, that is the reverse case here diagram to find the relation set. Okay. Next one very important here. So one more here equivalent set. Equivalent set. A relation capital R and a set a relation capital R and a set capital A is called equivalence binary relation. When always R is capital R is relation R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Then above relation set is called equivalence binary relation. So here, sometimes here a relation capital R A set capital is called compatibility relation when here R is reflexive symmetric. So here only two relations means here compatibility, three relations means here equivalence binary relations. These are all here different types of here relation sets.